Thank you, and welcome back to my channel. I am Saiasmi Gupta, co-founder of 10x Coding Kids, and today I am here with JavaScript practice set number 2. And I'm also gonna be clearing all your concepts so they're gonna be crystal clear. So I'd like to say thank you so much Code with Harry for making outstanding tutorials and after that giving practice set questions so that our concepts are crystal clear. I really appreciate you and thank you so much Code with Harry. Okay. So here it is, JavaScript chapter 2 practice set on operators and conditionals. Right. Hi Code with Harry, how are you? How's life? Okay, I'm full screening so that you can now see the questioners. When I'm full screen you'll not be able to see me. Okay, first question: use logical operators to find whether the age of a person lies between 10 and 20. We'll create a REPL. Today I'm using my brother's account, so that's why, because it gives suggestions on what we want to write, so I don't want that. So write JavaScript practice set number 2 and we create REPL and the REPL will be made. So it was saying to use logical operators to see if the number lies between 10 or 20, right? So okay, let's see. Oops, my bad. So we are taking prompt. Prompt is basically taking user input. It's like this. Like whoever is viewing our website would see this, enter your age, and then it takes respond from the user, for example, and then it would perform the following action, whatever we tell it to, right? Oops. So now we're gonna do number.parseInt, because always whenever we give user input, it is like always, it would always come in the data type string. So to convert it into a number, we do this. Now what we're gonna do, should I do it the hard way or the easy way? Wait, let me think. We could do it using the ternary operator. Yeah, I have an idea. Look, ahead, I'll make you. We all know how to use if and else, so I'm not gonna waste time using if and else. So I'm gonna use the ternary operator. Okay. So before we do that, I just want to show you alert age. So if whatever number we'll insert now, age will have the age variable will contain that number. So it has gotten 11. Okay. Right. So now what we're gonna do is use the ternary operator. So it's pretty good. I'll show you. Okay, even though Code with Harry wants us to use if else, we are not gonna use if else. Alert. Your age. I try to think how to make it, more fun and everything. Your age, life, age. Your age. Okay, we'll do your age. We're gonna do concatenation plus, okay, plus we're gonna put parentheses, age greater than 10 and age smaller than 20. Question. Your age lies between 10 and 20. So first I'm gonna see if this works, and then I'll explain you. Does not lie between 10 and 20. Okay, let me just see if it runs or not. I'm gonna write a number between it. Your age lies between 10 and 20. I'm just checking. Okay, so it works perfectly fine. If we would have used the if and else statement, it would have probably made us use 10 to 15 lines. So in here, if we see it practically, it's of if we just remove this, so it's of only 3 lines, right? So basically, it is already here. So what happens is, in the ternary operator, it reduces the lines of code. So here we are concatenating. Of course, you guys must know what is concatenation. So your age, then we are giving a condition. Age is greater than 10 and age is less than 20. We have put and here because if both of these conditions are true, then question mark, that if both of these conditions are true, then it would get this. Okay, age. So I've given it like this: first your age, then lies between 10 and 20, because if these conditions are true on the number that we have given, then it would concatenate your age and lies between 10 and 20, right? If one of the conditions also was not true, or both of them were not true, then it would get does not lie between 10 and 20. So it would concatenate your age and does not lie between 10 and 20, right? So easy. So basically what we did was, basically we concatenated, we put this in parentheses, we put the condition, we put the question mark, then if this condition we will write here what the statement, if this condition is true, and this statement if the condition is false. Basically, we'll write the statement, the false statement, if the condition is false. So we'll write it here what it should get when it's false, right? And what we'll write here when it should get if the conditions are true. I hope you understood me, right? I hope so. Any doubts? Please do not hesitate to ask. Okay, perfect. So now what we're gonna do is question number 2. So while I was reading the first question, I read question number 2, which says demonstrate the use of switch case statement. So we are gonna use the same age variable, and we are gonna do switch age, right? Case 12. Your age is 12. Your age is 12. You are currently a tween. You are currently a tween. And break. I'll explain you, just hang on a second. Or while typing, I'll just explain you. So basically what we're doing here, sorry, I just can't explain you side by side because my mind is supposed to be here, right? I hope you understand. Oops, the daisies. Okay, we have to do some concatenation. Perfect. So first I'll show you and I'll see if it works or not. We're gonna give 12. Okay. Okay. So our code is working perfectly fine. So switch case statement is very useful and it's very useful. So in the switch case statement, there are cases, right? For example, we have passed the value that the user gives to the switch case statement. Then we have written here case 12, case 13 and default. So after case, the numbers that we are written, sorry, yeah. So the numbers that we have written here, 12 and 13, right? So basically we are guessing that the value of age is 12 or 13. So we are guessing. So this is a case if basically the value is age is 12, it would get your age is 12, you're currently a tween, and break. Then if the age was 13, we would write if the age was 13, so it would get your age is 13, you're currently a tween, and break. And default. Why have we given a default? Because there are infinite numbers. We cannot write cases of every number, right? So that's why we have given default. If the case is the value of age is not 12, not 13, what should it get if it's not any of the cases, right? So it has to have a default value, right? But it's okay if you don't give default only. For example, I don't give default, I give 14. Age is 14. Maybe it did not. Uh, Look. That time it did not reload it. Basically, it did not modify it. So it had gotten your age just lies between 10 and 20, and then it did not get anything else, right? So that's why we give a default value because we cannot make infinite cases, right? Perfect. So I hope you understood. Now, all of you might definitely have a question. Why is there a break? What is the use of the break? I'll show you. For example, I give here 12. Your age lies between 10 and 20. Your age is 12. You're currently a tween. Your age is 13. You're currently a teen. Your age is 12? Oh god. So why did it get all the values of the other cases? That is why basically it will if you do not give the break and this is true, it goes inside this case, so it will first run this, then it will immediately go here and run in this whatever is in this case and whatever is in this case, right? So it's important to give a break, right? Hope you understood. Question number 2, perfectly finished. If any doubts, please don't hesitate to ask. I would definitely answer you. Now, question number 3. Let's see what's question number 3. Let's see question number 3 and question number 4. Write a JavaScript program to find whether a number is divisible by 2 and 3. Write a JavaScript program to find whether a number is divisible by either 2 or 3. So instead of using the if else statement, we are gonna use ternary. I feel like ternary operators are very useful. They are not in Python, and I wish they were, because they make the code so short and they are so easy to understand. Okay, so we are gonna continue with the same. Okay, so what was it? If it's divisible by both, right? So alert, we're gonna do your age. Yeah, sorry about that. So we're gonna do concatenation. So it will get your age is divisible by both 2 and 3. Otherwise, oh right, I forgot to tell you. You have to separate these two statements by a colon. Okay. Perfect. Let me see if it runs or not. I'm gonna explain you right after it. I'm gonna give 12. It's divisible by both. Look, it's got your age is divisible by both 2 and 3. Now I'm giving 13 as it's a prime number. Your age is not divisible by both 2 and 3. So our code works. So basically what is happening here? We are again concatenating. So we are doing if these both conditions are true, then it will get divisible by 2 and 3. Otherwise, if one of them is also not correct or both of them is not correct, then it would get not divisible by both 2 and 3. So by chance, first we had given 12, right? So 12 is divisible by both 2 and 3. So, as these both conditions were true, it had concatenated your ages and divisible by 2 and 3. And when we had given 13, that means neither 2 neither 3 are divisible, right? So it would concatenate your age is and not divisible by 2 and 3. So that is it. And like that, and just look guys, in one line you guys completed another question. Isn't ternary operator the best? I just love ternary operators. It's just so cool, right? Now, question number 4. Question number 4 was again if either of them. Now, question number 4, I'm gonna keep you guys here. So now question number 4 was if one of them is also divisible, right? Look, it was write a JavaScript program to find whether a number is divisible by either 2 or 3. Here guys, if you want to see access the question set, practice set, you can go here. Here, go on this video of Code with Harry, right? Scroll in the description box. Yeah, here there's download notes. You can press on this link and PDF notes. Come on, and day now. And look, it would get all the notes, right? Okay, guys, so do that if you want to see all and access all his notes. Okay, so we have seen this question. So, this question is quite similar. I'm so sorry, guys. Just give me just 1 second, guys. I'm just coming. 1 second. Yes, guys. I'm so sorry for the noise. So, where were we? Right. Yeah. Let me see. I'm gonna give 18. One. Okay, it's working. Now, what should I give? 15. Okay. Last, which is not divisible by both. Perfect. So our code is working perfectly fine. So I'll explain you. Now in this condition, we wanted our code to get either divisible by 2 and 3. It's okay if only one of them is also if only one of them is also correct, it's fine, right? So basically it was like or. Basically if for example 12, no, not 12, what am I saying, 18, no, sorry, 15, yeah, 15. So 15 is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 2. So this condition is true as it is, as we have given or. To get or we have to give the pipe signs, okay? I'll show you the pipe sign. Pipe sign on the keyboard. Right here. Look, guys. This is your keyboard. Here is the pipe sign, the top one. So to get the pipe sign, you would have to press Shift and this button together. Okay, guys. So in this, in our example 15, 15 is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 2. So our condition is true, because if even one of these conditions are true, then it is true and it would concatenate your ages and either divisible by 2 and 3. And if for example 7 is not divisible by any of them, so this condition is now false, because in this condition to be true, at least one of the conditions need to be true. And so because both of them are false, if we give 7, so it would concatenate your ages and not divisible by both 2 and 3. So let's test it out with you guys also. Look, I'll give you the examples. Look, your age is not divisible by both 2 and 3. We give 13 for some. No, not 13, 15. Your age lies between 10 and 20. Your age is 15. Your age is not divisible by both 2 and 3. Right? Because in this condition, both of the numbers should be divisible. Sorry, I'm just divisible by both 2 and 3. And then here your age is either divisible. I'm so sorry. Is either divisible by 2 instead of and I had to do here and sorry or right. So that's it, guys. Last question. Oh, sorry, guys. Sorry, there's an ad here. Print you can drive or you cannot drive based on the age being greater than 18 using ternary operator. So I've already done all the examples, literally all the examples instead of the switch case statements using the ternary operators. I really hope you do question number 5 as homework. Question number 5 is you guys' homework. And yeah, guys, please do it and send me the answer of this question, guys. I really hope you liked this video and it was very informative, guys. And thank you, guys. Bye. Stay safe. Thank you, guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Bye, guys.